Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today we are discussing a very, very important topic called what is the purpose of life? What is the foundation of our existence? Now, the purpose of life is what is this? It is life decisions. It is about which influences our behavior, our attitude. It influences our goals and the sense of direction. Everything revolves around the purpose of life. Simon Sinek has written a book in 2009, Start with Why. And then he says ki how and what it happens. And in 2016, the two authors, Francis Miralles and Hector Garcia, they have written a book called Ikigai, the Japanese way of living. Because the mortality age goes up, and in Japan, the people are living longer than the rest of the world. Now, purpose of life, at what stage we should find out? Like, whenever we come to know about this technique that we should have a purpose of life, or sometime when we may be having everything, the health, wealth, the relatives, still we feel a vacuum. That means the purpose of life should be made or should be found out. The purpose of life is much bigger than life. I consider these 8 steps can give a purpose of life. First is the notion. The existing thought process, this is my capability, that should be burned, because then only we will get a new idea. The second is whatever is our passion, the purpose. We will never get tired. We may be working 24 hours a day, 365 days in a year, or for full our life. The purpose of life will keep us alive like a live wire and spreading enthusiasms, happiness around us. So we should keep on boosting our desire. Third is we should have positive people around us, because the negative people gives the negative thoughts, negative emotions. And Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, also in the 15th chapter, there are total 15 chapters, he has said that susceptibility to negativity, somebody saying you can't do it, or it is not within your means, is very dangerous, because it lowers our confidence, it lowers our enthusiasm. Then fourth is we should have empowering information on daily basis. Then the fifth is the negative energy should be converted with positive energy. Like we have about 70,000 thoughts per day, and we cannot control the thoughts when they come. There will be mix of positive and negative, but once we know the technique, we can convert our negative thoughts into positive thoughts. We should dress for success. The mental programming we should do, like we should see ourselves in the picture. It is said that in transactional analysis, you write your own movie and then become your own director and own actor. You should play that movie, what you want a climax. So in this mental programming is there in the Silva mind control method also. And then the last step is taking an immediate action, because then only we begin. If we keep on deferring the actions, this will not be achieved. All great achievers, like Thomas Alva Edison, the American inventor, he wanted to invent various things, mass communication, electric power generation. Now he failed 1,000 times, but he was never discouraged. Every time the formula was not working, he said, I'm very lucky that I came to know that this particular formula do not work. And he kept on doing the research. Mahatma Gandhi, who wanted the freedom for India, he had a purpose of life bigger than the life. Swami Vivekananda, all achievers have that they were knowing their purpose of life. So, friends, I would request each viewer to find the purpose of life, assist our near and dear ones to find the purpose of life if they want to inquire about it. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Tell your other CA friends about this channel. And do let me know the topic on which you need video. Thank you for spending your time in listening me.